Hello everyone, this is Joshua here, and I want to solve this code signal problem make array consecutive to. I was thinking make array great again or something silly. Anyways, sorry I got sidetracked because I'm here to solve this issue, a statue right on cue. Oh, that's a horrible rhyme. Let's get to the description. Retiorg got statues at different sizes as a present from Codemaster. Each statue has a non-negative integer size. That makes sense. He wants them arranged from smallest to largest, and he thinks there might be additional statues he's needed to help him accomplish that. So once you're done arranging it from smallest to largest, you want to find out the minimum number of additional statues needed. All right. So if you want to guys solve this problem, this is a Codesignal arcade problem. I found this as I'll include this problem's description below. Feel free to solve it before I do. But if you're too slow to solve it, I'll solve it myself. Okay, so let's think about this. We're arranging it from smallest to largest, and we want them exactly with a difference of 1 in between. I'm looking at this example here, 6, 2, 3, 8. So the output of additional statues should be 3 because we would need, after sorting this out, we would need 4, 5, and 7, statues of 4, 5, and 7, to have these consecutively arranged from smallest to largest with exactly 1 size difference in between. So let's think about this. How would we solve this? If we sort them from smallest to largest, technically, initially, it's kind of an easy question because I could tell that once you start from smallest to largest, you know how many statues you need total. So, like for example, 6, 2, 3, 8. If you sort it, it's 2 through 8. So you know that in between you would need about 7 statues if it's 2 to 8 inclusive. And since we only have 4 statues of those sizes, we will need 3 more, which is 4, 5, and 7. So you can see right now that I already pieced together how to solve this. So let's do this. All right, so we need to know the number of statues, and that's going to be using the length function, built-in function, statues. There you go. And I will need to find the first digit. Statues, 0. Oh, silly me. In order to do that, what do I have to do? As per the problem says, I have to range it from smallest to largest. So let's do this. Statues equals sorted. Statues. There you go. So the first one will be first equals statues 0. Okay, and then we want the size of the last statue, and that would be statues num minus 1. All right. Sorry guys, I just like this nice and clean and neat. This probably isn't good Python etiquette, but anyways, continuing to solve this. So what would I return? So basically what I would return is the last minus the first, and that would give me the number of statues I need total. But how many statues do we have exactly? It would be minus num. And since it's inclusive, I think we need to do a +1. Let's see if that actually works and pass our sample tests. That's great. It solves. Now, I think this covers all edge cases. If there's 0, let's look at this. Let's look at if there's any constraints about this. The statues itself could be a size of 0 exactly. I don't know how, but there's exactly. So this is just fine. It covers all edge cases anyways. It goes from 1 to 10. Sorry about that, guys. Well, let's see if it solves all cases. And bada bing, bada boom. Alright, guys, that's how you solve this problem. Please like and subscribe, or if you would like, add your own solution here to see if you have a better alternative solution. I think if I were to solve the space complexity and time complexity, it looks like it's not taking any additional space complexity, so that's good. It might be all of 1. Hope I got that right, how to calculate space complexity. But time complexity, it's well, the only thing we have to really be concerned about is the sorted function. I did the research on this actually before, and this sorted is a built-in method, and its time complexity is n log n average case scenario. It's actually called a Tim sort, though I don't know what that means. Feel free to check it out at Wikipedia. All right, guys. If you like and subscribe to this video, I'll give you 3 tickets to Chuck E. Cheese's. Take your friend, your girlfriend, and whoever you want to Chuck E. Cheese's. Go play bowling. Go play with the animatronics. I don't know. Do what you want to do. Fulfill your childhood dreams. Just kidding. All right, guys. Have a good time and stay tuned and stay healthy. Cheers.